What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? I am here with my friend Wayne, and we are going to walk around in his garden. Wayne, are you excited? What is your favorite thing to grow in the garden?
Carrots.
Carrots?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? You have some carrots that you're growing?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show the people the carrots, okay? Okay, well, let's travel with Wayne. Okay, let's get it from, oh, Speedy. Okay. Okay, under the bush, we're
Yeah.
here. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right here. And these are the carrots.
These are the carrots, okay. Now, did you grow these carrots?
Carrots. So, I'm trying one.
All right. Oh, man, thank you, Wayne. I appreciate that.
Now, you can this one too.
Yep. Oh, no, you can have it. Okay. Yep. Carrot tips. Good stuff, Wayne. All right, great people. So we are here at a local garden in Tampa, which I'm also excited about to get the opportunity to show you around. And not only did you all get to meet Wayne, which is the son of the gardener that is here, but you will also get to meet the lady behind the garden, which does so many different things in the community and things like that. So I'm gonna intro her, and then we're going to walk around, and then make sure you stay down to the end, because at the end you'll be able to hear all the great different things that they do out here in the garden. You say the exit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Wayne. Wayne is my help. He's the producer of this here YouTube video. And so, with that being said, make sure y'all stay tuned, make sure y'all lock in, because we're here with another episode of Gardener and Their Gardener, okay? All right, so here's Mommy. So, what do you go by? What different things do, and how can people connect with you?
I go by D,
Uh-huh.
and I can be found on Facebook, Instagram. I do have a TikTok that I haven't quite mastered, but it's
Yes,
there.
Yes, yes.
And 813hoodgarden at Gmail.
Boom. And I'll put all the different links for her down in the description so that you can connect with her and things like that. Like she will say, she has different things that they do out in the garden as well, so you can connect with her and so forth and so on, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the garden.
So this is Yucca, and we relocated the Yucca this season from the back. It was in the back. So we brought it up here because
Nice.
it does, once it grows tall enough, it does create nice shade.
Yes.
So we'll be able to do some stuff underneath it.
Mommy,
Yes, Wayne?
that one already going to flowers.
Okay. You're eating the flower? How does the flower taste?
Tastes very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Space said something different, right? And then just a couple of pigeon peas here and there. And then the Roselli Lane.
Roselli Lane.
Yeah, so it's Hibiscus Roselli.
Nice.
Also known as sorrel, Jamaican sorrel, whatever people want to call it. The leaves are edible. You can utilize those. The fruit is also edible. And then, of course, we know the Gloria seeds are on the inside. But I love it because the flowers are just gorgeous.
Yes.
It's in the okra family, so that's why their flowers kind of look
Yeah.
similar.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Even the leaves.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
What else we got here? Some loofah flowers.
Yes.
The loofah vine.
Yes. Smart to grow it along trellis.
So hopefully we get at least another 5-10 loofah before the season is over.
Hello.
More pigeon peas. There's a couple of loofahs hidden right in there.
Oh, yep.
Those are just past eating stage for me. I'm hoping I can catch some smaller so that I can make a loofah soup. Because I've heard that it's really good. So
Right.
I'm hoping
so
I
you
can
have
catch them
eaten your
smaller.
lupa before.
I have not.
That
I
wasn't
always
gonna
miss
eat.
it.
Okay.
I miss
Okay.
it because supposedly you're supposed to eat them when they're a little bit smaller than that.
Right.
Because it's not as tough.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Hopefully I get one so we can try it. We can all do it together.
Hello.
This was squash or something, but the loofah actually started here. This is where the loofah's actually root is.
Nice.
I don't know what it's doing over there. But
Hello. You know, growing.
yeah.
Growing and traveling.
Sweet potato mound.
Yes.
It's
Sweet potato hill. Y'all see the sign?
yeah, I gotta stay
Boom,
with
boom,
that.
boom.
And then our makeshift in progress
Yes.
rainwater catching
That
system.
is smart. That is cool. I love it. I love it. 'Cause now you have 4 barrels.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, so we
And
gotta
these
get
barrels,
them.
what, 55 gallons?
Exactly.
Yep.
We gotta get
that's
them connected so we can actually
Ah.
pump the water out. So
Yes,
that's the
yes,
next.
yes.
That's the next step in our
Yes,
process.
yes. But it's a good start.
Yeah. And Wayne's carrots back there for his
Wayne,
little.
her son, who you met and saw in the beginning. Boom, boom, boom.
Pigeon peas.
Wayne is learning. Pigeon peas.
One of the things that I like to do is I'll grow in anything that hold dirt.
Yes.
So he had outgrown the bathtub. Boom, bathtub came in here and it's
Nice.
holding peppers. It's got 2 pimento peppers and
Nice.
we're not going to talk about the stuff that's in there.
Okay, okay, okay.
June plum.
June plum. Is that a fruit?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And
You said in Trinidad y'all call it what now?
pumsite.
Pumsite. Okay, okay.
I've got some mulberries.
Nice. Yep.
Those were donated by someone.
Nice.
Friend of the garden is what I like to call them.
Hello. Oh, I can see it.
Yeah. Some of the stuff is just not doing very well, but
Not right now.
they'll do their thing
Right.
eventually.
And what is this?
It's in the vervain family.
Vervain.
Yes.
I don't know what a
It's
vervain
supposed
is.
to be good for
It's like thick
colds and
Ah,
stuff like that.
Teas and all.
Yes.
Okay.
It's also
Mommy.
blue something.
Mommy.
I forget what the
Mommy.
American term is for it.
I
and
see
then
strawberries.
yes, there's a couple down there.
Yes.
That's still alive. Some peppers back there.
Yes.
It just looks like death.
Some
has been
aloe.
done, but
It's how it does. How what you do
Yes.
as a gardener.
the basil,
Yes.
the sugar cane looks like it's finally fallen because it was standing.
Yes,
so
yes,
it's
yes.
finally
So that means it's
fallen.
ready to eat.
Yes, it's heavy.
Oh, okay. See, I've never grown sugar cane. I've only tasted sugar cane 2 years ago. That was
Well,
my first time.
Mommy.
if you come tomorrow
Okay.
to yoga,
Mommy.
we'll
Mommy.
harvest it and
Mommy.
cut it and eat it
Okay.
over here.
So what do you do, yoga?
I ate the cereal.
Okay.
So you do yoga in the garden?
Yep, we do yoga right over there
Okay.
in that middle empty spot.
Yes.
The third Sunday of every month right now is where we're at.
Nice. Yoga in the garden. Cool, cool, cool.
Moringa,
Moringa,
Uh-huh.
which is a
superfood.
okay.
Absolute superfood. It's
Nice.
full of vitamin K, C, just about everything. And the good thing about moringa is that everything on it is edible. The
Nice.
flowers, the leaves, the pods, the
Yeah.
seeds, it's all edible.
Okay.
Mine doesn't have that many leaves or seeds or pods because I harvest it quite
There
frequently.
you go. what
This
you eat raw
is
for.
Spanish thyme, or some people call it Cuban oregano.
Ah, right here.
Yep.
Nice.
And as you
Ooh,
can see,
thick.
it's housed in a bathtub.
Oh, bathtub. That is creative.
It's got a couple of different.
Why is it so thick? Oh, this one's thinner.
That's a different one.
This is thick. Wow.
It grows by the piece. You don't have any at home. It's literally oregano. I'm gonna cut you a piece of that so you can take with you.
Oh, nice.
I just let the wild bitter melon do its thing, and it just does its thing wherever. I harvest the leaves for tea.
Okay.
And that's really it with
Nice.
this jungle.
That's it. But it's nice. Nice use of a bathtub.
This is where the yucca patch was,
Yes.
and we've relocated up front.
Yep.
Just one piece left.
Yep.
We're gonna do something here. I just haven't figured out quite what just
right.
yet.
Right.
We've got a extra mango tree that's it actually germinated in the chicken coop. It was in
Oh,
the chicken
wow.
coop, but the chicken coop was back there.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
So this is the new Tomatoville.
Tomatoville,
Yeah.
USA.
Yeah.
Are they all the same varieties of
No,
tomatoes?
they're
Okay.
different.
Nice.
I'm hoping that some of the pear, the little orange pear tomatoes, I'm hoping that
Yes.
some of those actually survive.
Yes.
Other than that, I don't know. It's a slew of tomatoes.
Right. And then you have beans as
Yep.
well.
Got some
Gotta have your
Blue
beans.
Lake beans.
Okay.
And those are more of the bush beans that are coming to the end of their time.
Yes. I dig that.
Peppers, Pepper Lane, Pepper Road, Pepper somebody.
roll.
Pepper Place, there we go.
Pepper Place. Yes, there's a sign for that. I like the signs. I might have to adopt that.
Yes, I gotta redo the steaks, but they're doing their thing.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
This is milkweed. Let's see if we see any caterpillars on there. I think all the caterpillars
Yeah,
are
it's too
done.
bright. Yeah.
They're usually out and about. This is the starter spot for collards. One of my volunteers,
Yes.
she planted collards. She likes collards.
Yes.
So she planted it here, and we're gonna transplant them over there.
Okay.
Not this weekend because it's her birthday, so she took it off.
Okay.
So maybe next weekend she'll get around to that.
So you said she likes collards. You don't like collards?
I'll eat them
Okay.
if somebody cooks them,
Gotcha.
but I'm not cooking them.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah.
Kale.
One piece of kale that survived out of a few, but
uh-huh.
it's doing its thing.
That's right.
Strawberries
Nice.
that are gonna hang off
yes,
the
that is smart. Yeah.
piece of PVC.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is lettuce lane.
Yes.
I just reset lettuce lane. Now that it's cooler,
Yes.
there's 3 different types of lettuce in here,
Mm-hmm.
and I put in some onions
Yes.
down the center,
Smart.
so we can companion plan on that.
Yep.
The cloves come up, I leave them, and
Yes.
then I'll harvest enough to feed the chickens. They like it.
Nice. Nothing goes to waste.
Nothing.
When you have chickens.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Strawberry Street. Let me go ahead and show you the sign. Boom, make it real.
You know, and I've got a piece of ginger in here that I was
Nice.
experimenting with the ginger,
Yes.
and it's doing its thing. So I'm gonna leave it alone.
Yes. So what made you plant it with the strawberries?
Actually, strawberries were not in this one. This one had been
Okay.
empty for a while,
Mm-hmm.
and then these were doing runners.
Yes. Yep,
And
yep, yep.
as I got the runners, I
Yep.
started putting them in here
Yep.
and expanding them everywhere.
Yeah. She have a strawberry like it wants to do a little something.
So there's a couple of them. I actually picked the strawberry yesterday.
Oh, nice.
You okay? All right. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, the ginger. Like I said, I was just playing with it.
Mm-hmm.
This
Is it simple
potatoes.
to grow?
Heck yeah.
Okay.
Heck yeah. Just put it in there. They don't like to be too shallow. They don't like to be too wet.
Mm-hmm. So it's smart to plant it with the strawberries.
Yeah.
It's the same type. Don't-
And it's under the soil where the strawberries grows above.
Yes.
I like to maximize space.
Correct.
One thing's growing below, one's
Yep.
above.
Boom.
If it's a good companion plant, I have no idea, but I'm using my space
Hello.
for me.
And it looks good. I mean, they both look well, so more power to you.
We'll see how it goes. Next harvest is going to be potatoes. This is my
Nice.
potato box. The potatoes have been in there for a while, and other things have, of course, occupied it.
Nice. Looks like it's a
One-
liner.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's weed liner on a pallet.
Yep.
We
Yep.
harvested some
Oh,
turmeric from
nice.
here last week.
Nice.
This is burdock.
Burdock.
Yes.
Now, what is burdock?
Burdock is a medicinal. It helps with your blood regulation.
Okay.
You can eat the leaves and you can eat the root. A lot of the roots are utilized in medicine. So right now I only have one, and I have not figured out how to germinate them myself just
Okay.
yet. So work in progress.
So it flowers?
I have not seen a flower yet.
Okay. Okay.
This is my first one.
Yes.
So
Burdock.
we shall see. Dr. Sebi talks about it a lot in his
Yes.
stuff.
Okay. 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 Gave you the inspiration.
Yeah.
Now, do you have
this
the
is
light in
strawberry.
there for a reason?
It's just a solar light. I don't even
Yeah.
think that one works anymore. A lot
Okay.
of there's solar lights here and there. Just
Okay.
at night, it looks amazing.
Ah, I'm with you.
Looks
So
amazing at
visually.
night. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. There's a couple of strawberries. There's one.
Oh, yeah. Strawberries.
Yeah. I haven't. One of them is a white strawberry. I just don't know which one that is right now anymore.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's mint doing its
Yes. Yep. Mint being mint.
thing. Yeah. And then the green onions. And this is dog fennel. That I want to transplant over to somewhere else so that way it has the room to do what they do. They actually
Yes.
grow pretty tall,
Mm.
and they're good for mosquitoes, like as a mosquito
Really?
repellent. Yep.
Okay. Dog fennel.
Yeah. It is poisonous, so we don't eat it, but you can
Mhm.
use it on your skin.
Okay. As a
This is
repellent.
where the dandelions were at one point, so I'm
Yes.
hoping that in the spring they come back just here.
Absolutely.
And then
Happening by the strawberries.
right, medicinal stuff. We've got
Yes.
some rue in there.
Yep.
There was some motherwort in there, and then you see your favorite basil,
Yes, yes, yes.
and then another
Let
piece
the
of
garden
ginger.
tell it. Yes. Good old
Another
Thai
piece of
basil.
ginger. Yes. And that's really it. We've got okra along that side over there,
Uh-huh.
and everything's under construction as it always is in the
Hey,
garden.
of course, it's a garden. Doesn't
Work is
stop.
never done.
Never. And that's the fun part.
Right.
Ooh.
So okra, we've got the burgundy okra.
That's it. I can get a bunch of seeds from that one.
Right. So that's
that
why I'm
point-
leaving these two to
Yep.
just go to seed.
Yes.
Peppers, these are volunteer peppers.
Yep.
So I have no idea what color bell pepper they're
Gotta
going to be.
love it.
Mustards.
Yes. Yep.
We've got another okra that we're sending to seed.
Yep.
More pigeon peas, just because they're easy to grow, they're low maintenance, and It tastes pretty good if you have the
Okay.
patience to harvest them.
Yes.
And then more okra, just the green ones. There's one down in there.
Yep.
And then again, I just love the flowers. So even if I don't eat the okras, I'm a flowers.
Right. You get it, but you have some flowers over here as well. Oh, that's cool.
Yep.
That's cool. I
But
dig
that's
it.
it. I'm Dee with the 813 Hood Garden here in Central Tampa. I'm not sure what this neighborhood is actually called, but we're in Central Tampa. And this is what we're doing. Community space. We're going to do some more workshops coming up in 2022 with the kids. And just kind of show them where their food comes from.
Yes.
And show parents that you don't need a lot of space or a lot of expensive things to start a garden. You can start where you are with what you have and just grow your own food.
You can't eat the leaf because now it's not growing.
Okay.
You can eat the red part.
Okay.
But the white part can poke your finger.
Yeah.
You know, do you see that red on my finger?
Oh, yes. That's
Yeah.
because the white part poked you?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay.
It started hurting.
Okay.
So let's go walk around.